Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum, my little kids. Okay, kids. Today we are doing most important thing, writing. We are doing writing in our copies. Okay. Today we will learn here write formation. Okay. First letter is we have in writing page. First word is moon, and first word letter is M. We write M like this. M. Kids, look at here. Right formation of M is this. Okay. M O. Write in two lines like this and moon. This is the right formation of moon. Okay. Lots of time we write M like this. This is wrong. Okay. We deduct number here. Okay. We write M like this. Okay. This is also wrong. Kids, do practice right formation of all the letters. Okay. We have lots of number. We get number here. Okay. Second word is lamp. Second word is lamp. Okay. How do we write lamp? We write lamp L in three lines. Okay. A like this. M P. Lamp. Okay, look at here carefully. Lamp formation. Lamp, L-A-M-P, lamp. Okay, lots of time we write L like this. Okay, like this. This is wrong. Okay, A. This is also wrong. Better do carefully and do practice all the formation of all the words. Okay, we have lots of pages. Writing pages we have in outline 78, 85 and 63. Okay. Next word is fish. How do we write fish? Formation of fish. F. We write F like this. E. S. H. Sh. Fish. For Isha, fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Okay. We write F like this. This is wrong because of here we write S like this. This is also wrong. And her. Kids, this formation is wrong and deduct here number. Okay. Now come to the next word. Okay, next word is apple. Formation of apple. Look at here. A. How do we write A? Correct formation is this. A. P. Straight line. Circle two lines. L. E. Okay, this is correct formation of apple. Okay, we have lots of words like car. C. We write C like this. Okay, don't write like this. This is wrong. Okay, A. Make in two lines. Car. Okay, do it carefully. Practice all the writing pages. Okay, now come to the next work. Okay, kids, we have learned lots of things like colors name, vegetables name. Okay, when we write colors name, when we write in colors name in exam, how do we write color? We write color. First letter should be capital like G. R like Y. Look at here. right formation of gray. Okay, don't write G like this. Okay, this is right formation of G. Okay, second color is brown. How do we write brown? B R O W N, brown. Okay, kids, focus on formation. Okay, this is colors name. Same we have learned vegetables name, seasons name like summer, winter, autumn, spring. Okay, first summer. How do we write summer? S U M M E R, summer. Okay, look at here. How do we write summer? Summer, SUMMER, summer. Winter, autumn, spring. Okay. Okay. We have learned singular, plural. Okay. Look at here. How do we write singular, plural? Okay. Now we have learned cup, singular, plural, cup and cups. Cup. Here, right. How do we make plural? Here is cup. Cup, singular. Cup, singular. Okay. Now next is how do we make plural? Cups. How do we make? Cup, a, p, and we write here x. So it's cups. Cup, cups. It's plural. It's plural. Okay, kids, we have learned lots of things. Writing. Today we practiced writing. Okay, singular, plural, colors name, and seasons name. Okay, last time we have learned this, use of this, that, and it. Okay, first more thing, one more thing. This. How do we write this? T. T. We write formation of T like this. H, E, S. This. Okay, this. And how do we write that? We write that. Look at here. T, H, A, N, T. It's that. Okay, kids, I hope you understand correct formation of this, that, and all the words. Okay, do practice in rough copy. Take care and Allah Hafiz.